Good afternoon, LC people. Well, Eric Pike brought me a 250 LC down here last week. The frame was up here, the motor was in the box down there. I came up the unit and it was 7:30 this morning, and it's now just gone 25 to 5. Dave started with a bare frame, and this is what progress I've managed to achieve today. As you know, I start on the centre stand. Put the yokes in it, front wheel, swing arm, in a mud guard shock, and then Dave works from the back to the front. It's been a very productive day. Got a new loom for it. I've had a few issues here and there, but I normally do, as you know. I dropped the motor in it in the last half hour. Obviously side stand, battery box, air box, coil. It's very nice. Obviously the water tank and the oil tank, front indicators. It's come a very long way. I had to rebuild the forks first thing this morning. It got some new parts to go in it, put seals in it, put oil in it and rebuilt them. That took the first hour of the day, so I might have got a bit further along than I have. I'd have liked to have got the hangers on it, but you know what I'm like, I always try and bite off more than I can chew. Brand new loom, obviously from the LC Club, I believe. So yeah, what's Dave got left to do? Obviously hangers, exhausts, fuels, oils, rebuild the front brake caliper because it's got new pistons and seals. He's got a new master cylinder. I've got the clocks to put on it, headlamp bucket, that kind of stuff. The paintwork's already done for it. It's going to be embassy colours, white and red stripe. You know the one. Yeah, it's a 250. It's very, very nice. Couldn't tell you if it's matching numbers. I've not even picked my head up to have a look. But I'll be very happy about it. He sent me a load of parts. But there's always something that you need. Unfortunately, whoever powder coated the powder coating for him destroyed the rubbers in there. Yeah, he's ordering some of them today. So I'm hopeful to get those for beginning of next week so I can finish that bit off. Chain, sprocket, chain guard and all that kind of rubbish. I've got a tie bar still to put on it. Obviously radiator. I don't know the history of the carbs. They'll have to come off and get looked at. That kind of thing. There's probably another day and a half, 2 days in it. Just depends how I go, you know. When you find things, you have to get through it and you have to resolve it. But I think Eric will be very happy about it. Oh, I hope he will. I'm very pleased about it. It was exactly where I wanted to be on a Friday afternoon with this bike. Anyway, folks, keep watching if you want to see it finished. It shouldn't take too more than a few days next week. But very happy about it. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.